Alrighty, I'm going to show you how to do marbling with Rock Your Nails dipping powder. I've got three colours here, 93, which is kind of a really soft mauvey colour, 106, which is a minty soft greeny colour, and then we've got 16, soft pink. So I have no idea how these colours are going to look together, but I think they should come out all right, the pastel theme happening there. So what I'm going to do is get my base gel, just so we've prepped the nail and everything and it's all ready to go. I'm going to get my base gel, and instead of doing a thin coat over the entire nail, I'm just going to do little swatches here and there, just little bits here and there. I'm not going to cover the whole nail. And then I'm going to dip it in one of my colours. So dip it on an angle, and if you can see, that's picked up the powder in some areas but not others. So now I'm going to do the same thing on some of those little gaps with one of my other colours. So just a little bit here and there. Then I'm going to dip it in the pink. All right, you see getting some colour happening there. Then I'm going to do my final colour. Okay. All right, my mauve. All right, look at that. And I think I might add a bit more green to that. All right, so next step, I'm going to add some clear powder. Oh. So I'm going to do another dip here, just to strengthen it up and thicken it up. And this time I'm going to do the crystal clear powder. Okay. And you could do another coat of the clear if you need to thicken it up a bit. Just to make sure you've got really good coverage. Right. Next, I'm going to get my activator. I'm taking my time here because there's only one nail and I need that to be fully dry before I can do anything else with it. Right, so we're going to activate. And then we wait until we've done all the other nails, and then we come back and file. That is dry. I'm just going to pop my lids on because I don't want to get filing dust in my powder. Okay, so I'm going to give it a little bit of a file. Just go down the side walls of the nail there, make sure that's nice and straight. And then I'm going over the surface just to make sure it's smooth and even, no lumps or bumps. You don't need to do a lot of filing with this product. The secret is not applying your powder, your base too thick. All right, that's pretty smooth. Okay, dust it off, and I'm going to pop some more activator over there just to help the top gel dry. This is so much fun. And the final step, I always wipe my activator before I apply my top gel. And the final step, top gel. Then this brings out the shine. There we go, marbled nails. It's kind of a unicorny kind of colour scheme, this one. So we've got the pink, the mint, and that really pale mauve in there as well. You could do this with any colour, dark colours, light colours, glitters, and even to throw some glitter on top of that would be really nice. I might actually do that. All right, so I've grabbed my 182 silver glitter here, and I'm just going to pop a little bit of that on while the top coat's still wet. So I'm just going to put a little bit here and there. I'm just tapping with my brush. Just picked up a little bit on my brush, and I'm tapping with my finger. So I can put it exactly where I want it. All right, then give it a final tap. And then we're going to do another base. Top gel. It's been a long morning. There we go. I think it looks good with the glitter. I always like to add a bit of glitter. You can't go wrong with glitter. So there we go, our marbled unicorny nails. What colour? I might do the next one with some really bright colours, some rainbowy nails. So have a go at it. It's really actually quite easy to do. Have a play. Let me know how you go, and I'd love to see photos. Bye for now.